replace the antenna, you want to get a little tool. I have this mini spatula looking tool. You can take a flat blade screwdriver, whatever you have, and stick it in right here underneath and pry up. You're going to need quite a bit of force, and you might even hear it pop, and I'll show you in a second what I'm aiming for. Once you have that in, you can push this forward. I'll try to use a little rubber mallet. There we go. These can be pretty stuck on here. So basically this is what it looks like underneath. It has this clip here. Mine broke, but it sat like this, and basically you just have to pry it up to unlatch it. This is what the new one looks like. As you can see, it just clips in, and then I was trying to push it up and out of my way, hold it there while pulling this forward. It's most likely going to break if yours is old like this one, unless it's already broken and that's why you're replacing it. And then take your new one, slide it over, has a little track here that it slides on, and then press it on firmly. Once it clicks, you're all set.